Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super fun and social on Spotify: how to use Spotify Blend. If you're all about discovering new music with your friends, this feature is a game changer. It lets you combine your listening habits with others to create a shared playlist that's uniquely tailored to your group. Whether you're planning a road trip or just chilling with buddies, Blend makes music discovery effortless and exciting. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Spotify app installed on your phone or tablet. Open the app and head to the Home tab. It's usually the first screen you see. Here, scroll down until you spot the Made for You section, or you can simply search for Blend in the search bar at the top. Once you find it, tap on Blend to get started. Now, to create your blend, hit the Create a Blend button. Spotify will prompt you to select friends from your contacts or share a link via text or social media. Invite a few pals, and they'll get a notification to join in. Once everyone accepts, Spotify's algorithm works its magic. It analyzes your recent listens, top artists, and genres to generate a customized playlist that blends everyone's tastes. After it's created, you can find your blend playlist in the Library tab under Playlists. It's dynamic too, so it updates automatically as you and your friends listen to more music. Feel free to tweak it by adding or removing songs, just like any other playlist. Pro tip: check back often to see how it's evolving. There you have it. Spotify Blend is an easy way to connect over music and expand your horizons. Give it a try with your crew and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this quick guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.